The next session is Testing SmartSurvey, in which you will get the opportunity to have a go at a test survey within SmartSurvey to ensure that you understand how the offline survey function works. So I'm just going to click on this link that will take us to the UKLMC test survey. So you can see here, this is the offline survey menu. What you need to do before you start collecting any data is to check for updates. This ensures that you've got the most up-to-date version of the survey. So we'll just wait while it loads the survey, and it should come back straight away to the offline survey mode again. So to start collecting a new response, you simply click Add New Response, and this takes you to the first question in the survey. So you can see here, the first question here is a multiple choice question, which the radio buttons, the round buttons, indicate that only one answer can be selected. So I will choose Oxford. There is also an Other Please Specify function response here. So I would just put that there if I wanted to. I'm going to go for Oxford. So and then click Next Page to go to the next page. Question 2, again another multiple choice question, but this time the square boxes indicate that you can select more than one answer. Again, there is an Other box there if you require. So I go again to the next page. This one is asking you to think about the last live music event that you attended. And you can see here there is a drop-down menu for the different types of venues. So I'm going to choose here, say, a small music venue, but you could also equally put in an other option there if you wanted to. The next question, again, another multiple choice, just asks you to describe the main reasons for attending. It says here, choose a maximum of 3 answers. Now, if I choose 4 here and then try to move to the next page, you can see that there's an error on the page, and you can see here it's saying, please choose only a maximum of 3 answers. So I'll get rid of one of those. And just to highlight that there is a progress bar here, so you can see whereabouts you are in the survey. Go to the next page, and here the final section of the survey about you asks you following age groups do you belong to, and then about your gender. You then, to finish the survey, click Finish Survey, and you can see here that the response has been added to the completed response menu. Here you can individually upload this response. You can actually go back in and edit it, or you may wish to delete it. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to upload all local responses. What will happen is you'll see that it asks you for a password. Now the password is always census, so CENSUS. It's lowercase, it is case sensitive, so just be aware of that when you're putting it in, but the password is always census. So you submit this. Now you can see there it says I've authenticated successfully again, but it just said that I need to upload all local responses. You can see it's still there. So I have to click this button again, and now you can see all completed survey responses have been uploaded. So there's nothing left there in my completed responses menu. Okay, so once you've finished doing all of that, then we're going to go back to the slideshow. And if you want to just have a go yourself at the short test survey, so it's smartsurvey.co.uk/s/UKLMC test. And what I recommend, just so you can see that it works, download it whilst you're online, complete it whilst you're offline, and then upload it again whilst you're online. Okay, many thanks.